Hi, I'm going to show you the standing version of the Wayne Cook posture. So, cross your wrists in front of you and clasp your fingers together, and cross your legs in front of you, and then bring your hands under and through and over your heart chakra. Okay, and then in this position, take 3 deep breaths. Now unfold your arms and cross your wrists the other way and bring them under and through again, and uncross your legs and cross them the other way, and again take 3 deep breaths. And then, just as with the sitting Wayne Cook posture, you're going to steeple your fingers and put your thumbs together. Put the thumbs on the third eye, and then lift gently as you take 3 deep breaths. And then put your fingers together in the center of your forehead and stretch them apart and shake them off. Then we're going to do the crown pull. Again, your fingers meet together in the center of your forehead, stretch apart and shake them off. Then come to your hairline, stretch apart, and then keep moving backwards along the center seam of your skull, stretching, making lots of space in your head for the energy to move, for new ideas to come in, and for it to all feel more open and relaxed. Then you work your way back along your neck, all the way down to the tops of your shoulders, and then pull forwards, digging your fingertips into those muscles at the top there, and then pull forwards and cross your hands over your heart chakra.